Welcome to today's edition of the AII, watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. Microsoft, which is traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol MSFT, is expanding its partnership with Dell Technologies, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol DELL, and Vmware Inc., which is also traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol VMW, to promote customers' digital transformation. The companies will leverage their respective solutions, such as the VMware Cloud Infrastructure and Microsoft Azure, to facilitate implementation of AI and IoT technologies. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, said, quote, "At Microsoft, we're focused on empowering customers in their digital transformation journey through partnerships that enable them to take advantage of the Microsoft Cloud using the technologies they already have. Together with Dell Technologies and VMware, we are providing our mutual customers with an integrated cloud experience and digital workplace solutions to open up new opportunities and meet their evolving needs." End quote. Accenture, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ACN, has launched a conversational AI solution called Memory Lane that addresses issues of loneliness among the elderly through an interactive smart speaker. The project is in collaboration with Swedish energy provider Stockholm Exergi. As the press release explains, quote, "Memory Lane enables a conversation by inviting someone who is lonely to tell their life story, a story that might never have been told. Once Memory Lane has captured the whole discourse, the discussion is converted instantly into both a physical book and a podcast. Quite simply, Memory Lane co-writes a story by human and machine that can be shared by participants with future generations." End quote. Christian Susch, the director at Accenture Interactive Innovation Center, commented, quote, "We installed Memory Lane in the participants' homes and it instantly sparked intimate conversations. It brought old memories and amazing life stories to life, stories that had never been told before. Prior to this, voice technology is not often perceived as human, but this project and collaboration with Stockholm Exergi demonstrates that technology can contribute to connecting generations and making society healthier. Eventually, we want to open this concept and platform out to everyone to share their life stories regardless of age." End quote. And new research from Tractica finds that the global AI and software market will grow from $9.5 billion US in 2018 to $118.6 billion by 2025. Research Director Aditya Kaul said, quote, "While the market is still a few years away from an inflection point for real growth, it is critical for both end users and solutions providers to identify the technologies and use cases where they want to invest in AI." End quote. An excerpt from the report summary reads, quote, "Tractica has built a taxonomy of more than 300 AI use cases across 30 industry sectors that captures the business-to-business software opportunity related to AI. The use cases cover three major meta-categories: vision, language, and analytics. Analytics is a major driver for AI and is a continuation of business analytics and classical machine learning techniques that have been traditionally applied to extract meaning from raw data. However, according to Tractica's analysis, deep learning-based human perception based on vision and language is a bigger driver for AI in the long run." End quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.